Hey, are you talking to someone who doesn't speak your language? Your phone can translate for you for free.
What?
Do this. Step 1. Open Google Translate on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap the conversation mode. Step 3. Talk and your phone instantly translate out loud. For instance, I'll say the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. It instantly repeats it in Spanish.
El veloz zorro marrón salta sobre el perro perezoso.
Instant translation. Now you can talk to anyone, anywhere. No typing needed. Perfect for travel or business. Do you want me to show you how to translate signs with just your camera next? Then follow for more hacks.